Hello dear friend, Farid from Farid Watercolor. Today I would like to share with you this beautiful fountain pen. I think it's super handy for sketching, and I would like to give a try. But now I will share with you this unboxing. I just received it today. I ordered it for because I have like a gift card and I ordered it for my sketching. So it's come with this box, MAJOHN, as you see here. And it's come with this beautiful pen and one medium nib, number 6. Just I will show it to you. Here I'm trying to focus. So this is nib. It's come with the box itself and the manual use, and here is the pen itself. As you see here, it's very bulky. I'm trying to focus. And it's come also with this eye drop filler. So here we go. So as you see here, it's all come, the pen itself and the box and the eyedropper and this nib here. So I will put it here so you understand what's come in with the box. First I would like to measure the box, the pen itself. It's 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters and 3 milli. As you see here, it's 130 millimeters. And the wide, it's 23 millimeter, which means like 2 centi. It's a maximum from here, 2 cent and 3 millimeters. As you see, I will show it to you again here. Okay, so that's the wide, and I will just try to and it's 35 gram and half. So that's before inking. And today I would love to ink it with Lamy ink, which one I use most time. So I bring my daily ink. I love it too much, which is Lamy, as you see here, and this is the pen itself. I order it with just a minute, I will show you. It's fude nib, which which I ordered especially for my, do you see the nib here? It's fude nib. And I would like to ink it. As you see, I take it. And now I don't want to fill it that much because I don't know how it will work. I feel okay, it's working. So I was afraid to fill it more here, and I will wait it again. So after inking, I will say it's 3-9 because I don't fill it to the, you know, like for the, because it's my first time I fill it. I believe if I fill it to the maximum, it will be like 39 or 38 something. So if you are watching here for the review itself, I finish, but I will do some try for to see how I can use it for my painting, okay, my sketching. So as you see here, it's with ink 38, will it say 38 gram, and the pen itself and the eyedropper, I just drop it in water, and the box itself. So until here, if you want to stay with me to give it lighthouse or now. And you know what I like? If you see here, it's appunate. So the nib, it's appunate, and that's, you see what I mean in appunate here. So so from my first impression, it's super nice. I'm turning it, yeah, it's so beautiful. As you see, I turn. It's very important for me for sketching to give me very differentiation, very different line and big a variety. So if you see here, I'm taking the small line. That sounds good. And here it's very wide. That's super fine. You see, it's like the brush effect. So I would say it's 100% okay for me for sketching. As I say always, I'm not calligrapher or something. I'm doing lighthouse. I will say it's 100. Very, very, very practical from my first impression. And I see, you know, the most important things when you turn back the pen itself and start to draw with it. So like this, what I mean exactly. It's very important for me because I have a lot of pain with my sealer. I don't know, it's only my sealer pen. As you see, I'm talking about sealer, this one. So I cannot have this option with my sealer, so that's why it was very important for me. As you see here, I already finished, but just I give some accessories just to try the but really I am very, very happy. As you see here, it's very generous, very superfluous. I like it. No comments, no word. And you see here, it's very, very, very brush effect. And yeah, I am very happy with the result. And really it's worth to buy it for sketching. As I say always, I am only interested to review something for sketching. So here the pen itself, and here's the cup, and I'm really satisfied with the result for this sketch. I use this pen here, you can see it, MAJOHN Q1. It's very, very handy, little bit bulky, but what I like the flow from the nib itself. You see here and here. If you want to see the writing, it's super beautiful and fluid. So I would say 100 from 100, 10 from 10, 5 from 5, and I'm very happy that I just have it and try it. And you know, here's a clip itself, it's middle, it's super practice. So I'm go to the end. As you see, MAJOHN here, the sketch itself, and here's a pen. And yeah, thank you for staying with me. Wish you very happy painting. And from my first impression, I say I'm very happy with the result. It's like bulky a little bit for like, you know, the sketchbook, but otherwise it has like what you see here, to turn to open it, which means you can keep the waterproof ink, so it's not get dry. It's very important, and there is no leaking. And the generosity of the nib itself, it's nib number 6, and I'm so happy with it. And as I see, it's fude nib, and the result 100. I'm so happy with that. Thank you for watching, and I wish you very happy new year. Thank you.